I'm putting the finishing touches on this buck 119. Figured y'all sat through the last hunting knife. Kind of all the same. There's not a whole lot to see. Why do a whole nother video on it? So we're doing the same thing here we did the last one. We're going to do the diamond stropping compound.
This video speaks less to the heart and more to the sphincter. In clothing, I think corn would do well to learn more from...
And we're going to do, apparently beat the crap out of my camera, 1,500, 3,000, 5,000, and then just a touch or two of Smurf. This one in particular, I guess maybe I can show this, see if I can try to. Has something really strange going on. Zoom. Okay, do not do the thing you did last time and mess with exposure. Zoom. See if we can zoom in on that. Nope, that went back to exposure. Don't you upset me. Zoom. Okay. You can see right here. This looks like it was maybe put on a wheel or a belt grinder, bench grinder, something, I don't know. The odd thing is there's a really weird texture and it actually goes through to the other side. I don't know if maybe they had it against a bone of a deer and were whacking the crap out of it. Phrasing.
What? Hey, how's it going?
Or quite what happened. Let's try to go this way and not knock anything. Yep, that didn't happen. Okay, let's see. We're going to probably resume. Yeah, definitely going to have to resume. It's not really showing up great. Let's try to go back, then go in. It's not really showing up the way I hoped it would. It's right here. Ah, it looks horrible. Okay, let's try to... Okay, it's showing it a little bit. There's actually a bulge. Phrasing.
Phrasing.
There's actually a bulge right here on the other side. I'm wondering if this is something where maybe they were batoning it against a bone to hack through it. I don't know. It's really strange, but it gave me fits trying to get this area sharp because this is actually deformed and comes up. And yes, I am using the Tactical Raptor Claw. It's really strange. I've never really seen that before, but it's... the metal's deformed out. I really don't know what to say about it. It's very strange. I'm very confused. Alright, so let's go back to normal, normal. Okay. Yep, this is not the easiest. But that took a long time to kind of maneuver around and figure out what I was dealing with. So this, I guess this could have been a more entertaining knife from a spectator standpoint of what is that and how do we fix it, potentially. Probably not. Unless people want to sit there and watch me swear and...
I'm sorry, what's that?
Miss it.
I can't hear you.
All right.
Over the sound
Yeah.
Really?
of my deafening awesomeness.
So I'm going to do a few more passes of this 1500 compound. And then we're going to move on to 3000. And then probably 5000. A lot of people think these aren't the greatest of knives, not the greatest of steels. You know, you don't have to pay a ton of money to get a really good knife. You don't. A lot of us do because we like them and we like certain things on them and we like to have cool stuff. I don't know if Buck employs a bunch of wizards to do their heat treat, but these Buck knives are actually pretty decent knives. And people like to bag on them because they're not cool, latest, greatest superhero steels. They're kind of boring old. I'm pretty sure this is 440 or 420. But the heat treat that they put on these is actually really good. These things hold an edge and they take a pretty decent edge. A lot of people don't give them the credit that they deserve. They overlook them and don't even consider it when, unfortunately, I think they're missing out.
He's right, you know.
Let's try going that way. Maybe we won't beat up our camera as much. Does that show? That shows it on my end, but probably won't on your end. And done. So cutting test of Buck 119. See how I did. That's sharp.